Alright, so I've started to pull some of my stuff I've boxed up with having to convert my second shoe room into an office for my other half. So these are all the shoes that I had boxed up in there that pretty much I need to narrow all this down. So pretty much, yeah, everything in this box I'm going to go ahead and sell. And here's something else. Probably strike a few people. A pair of Nike Shox, size 11. Shox feel solid. The padding on the inside's a little dirty. Feels like it's pushed in a little bit on the sides here for some reason. Good look inside. The Shox feel good on this one too. Turn it over, and bottoms are in pretty good shape. Yeah. So these are size 11 Shox. If you're interested, let's see what we have next. It's a pair of Adidas Vigor TR, and they are size 11 and a half. These are actually in pretty good shape, really good shape. You can tell I've only worn these a few times. The tread on the bottom is still in excellent shape. So if you're interested, these are size 11 and a half US. Next pair. Oh man, I remember these. These things are so comfortable. These were a little too big for me. Well, I ended up buying these off of a friend. They are size 12 US. If I can get the tag up for you. Padding on the inside. Pretty good shape. Okay, so we have these in a size 12. Nike Free Run 3. Pair of DVS. They usually say their brand, what's the name? The Transom. And these are size 12 US. Yes, I have a dog. I'll vacuum all the fur off of this. But aside from all the dog fur that I'll be cleaning off of these, padding's still nice and thick. Still feeling pretty good shape. These are the ones that have the pocket on the inside too. Or if there's anything in there. Nope, nothing in there. Okay, now I gotta check the other one. You never know. Nope, nothing in that one either. Okay, looks like a pair of Jordan 3s here. Size 11. Judging from the look of these, I'm trying to... Someone left these at my house forever ago. They're some of the ugliest Jordan 3s I've ever seen. I think I tried them on, but he never came back for them. I still have them. They are size 11 US, but they look significantly bigger. So if you are interested in these, let me know. Let's see if we can get the tag up here for you. Okay, and then the last pair is trash. Okay, looks like we got the bottom coming apart here. That's sad because these flights are pretty cool looking. Size 11.5. So I have a friend here locally that I usually give anything to that I can't sell. So he'll probably end up with these. You know who you are. But man, the padding still feels nice in these too. Alright, I don't think anyone's going to be interested in these. Especially with the cracking that's going on here. And then the separation. Oh, okay, yeah, stop playing with it. Okay. So, this, throw them aside, is the results of box number 1. If you're interested in any of these, let me know. Come back in here for now and go clean them up.